Hey. Dilemma endinayo. Yazi. In fact, hey, bantu basile phandle apha. Hey, bantu basile phandle apha. And mind, borrowing iitshomi zam, iimpahla zam. Ndila girl mos, I feel like ndinayo clothing. So it's why mind inintsi clothing yam, because clothing yam ndithenga itown. So xa ndishopisha in bulk, 250, fumane blazer ezi-4, noba ibhulukhwe ke standard, right? Now my biggest problem is that, hey, basile abantu. Ndidibane nemitshomi yam ndiseklabhini, silapha eJoburg, kumandi eJoburg mos, big city lights. Hey, nam ndikhe ndahamba ndimamele gqom music. It's my thing mos, akhondo. It's fine, I love it, and yeah, what akhondo. Ndihamba on Sunday. Big event, ke Sunday siyayazi mos, sway. ALS, man sijaka nabanye abantwana, nakhona si-happy. Bakhona abanye si-hungry, si-students because abanye bethu bagqibela ngesikolo, ewe, in fact, as a result, but asikafumani imisebenzi, so siyajayiva kumondi. You know, la club, kumnandi, everyone just, in fact, hectic. So now sihleka, ehlekisi, ithethi game. Ndibana nenye friend yam, le friend basimnika game name. In fact, my bengu Abigail. Abigail enye friend yam akhondo. Asichinja, in fact, coincidentally, nesasa sachomi every time you go out mos. Uzofika engenanto yonxiba. I expect you to jonga through your wardrobe yakho. No, it's fine, my friend. Look through my wardrobe, because andifuna fine mos. Because at the end of the day, I'm sure they think around your color. So as a result, it's fine, friend. Pick whatever you wanna wear. It's fine. And I'm thinking no one's gonna recognize that top because I'm gonna wear it differently mos. At the end of the day, because zayifaka la utspa janese kwa utspa yam lanti different. As a result, so now I walk down the stairs of Sway. Yeah, it's the party. Ingathi bonke abantu abathanda ubumandi kudityaniswa kwenzeka istokfel kumnandi. I bumped into Abigail wearing a top of mine. And I remember this one day, I was like, Abby, oh, John, we're going back to my place, mostly. Siyakwam. And first of all, obviously, it was like Kulula, Abby, Abigail, in fact, to tell omnibus for this job. She's gonna do it again and again and again and again. So I bumped into Abigail. Mind you, size 28, naughty by nature, representing zonke skinny bitches abakhondo abaweshi 62 ababeka izandla phezulu njalo. Abigail, yila girl musipha kuma 36 akhondo ndiblame and ndimcharge akhondo ndinge-extra small medium, but medium close to extra large, but it's fine, simqambile large. At the end of the day, it's fine. Abby is dancing there, and my top is so small. My top is so small, it was violated. Ingati, I'm going to clap in the skin phone. It's la number, a child line 08,500, and husband, la advert yabantwana aba, you know. Hey man, u-Abby, ndimjonge ngetop yam, and u-Abby ke une-stench, yilaa girl. Probabilities, mixed emotions in terms of armpits. She's that type of girl when you see in a club, you'll be like, yo, she's so pretty, but one man a bodyguard. In fact, I don't want to say older. Older is bad. It's a bad word. Leona, it's a bad thing. And you know, we top here. There's a top, and if I need to take it top, come a cotton on. Budget yam does not allow for cotton on. And as a result, now Clark cotton on down some shika for about in fact for my nail top be right. I think that's like a parent or someone for about for my nail top. Here the figure epikill akasajive. Ethiopian immense up. It's a turquoise top. It's turquoise. I love those adventurous color. In fact, I feel my anger, in fact, perspiring, as would Abigail would do, perspire, all she does is perspire, never inspire, peto got me Abby. Did you? And my biggest worry is not that she's wearing my top. It's fine, friend, wear it, forget it. But just bring it back. But I can't lie, collection, you bring it back with AP. Achieve AP. To come back, you worry is that man number one. Extra small, medium winner. Medium to extra large, so I'm a little expert. At the end of the day, it's the kiss of the SARS hope. But how do you begin to perspire and enlarge itopium? Such my bad and sweater when the baby. That's a tell we boyfriend yam. But Abby was like, no, you don't deserve a boyfriend blazer or boyfriend top. In fact, you deserve me in your life for me to do that thing. And I'm like, okay, sure, okay, baby girl. Itopium ayiqhelanga la behavior. Nam la top sometimes skin kinch. Okay, maybe I'm going extra small, maybe no small. Like for instance, a condo. But imanzana webi itopia mayiqhelanga la behavior as a jives ka Abby. Jazazi na class clubbing sabulisa abantu ohlobo eza hi girl, how are you? Hey guys, Bamkhona ingathi indawo ndiyanqokuza clubbing because ndiyakuthanda ubumnandi. Groove is nice, groove nation, groove meister. At the end of the day, it's the kiss of the SARS hope. So ngiqomba